Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you really quickly how you can assign a task to multiple team members in your Asana workspace so that all of your team members or multiple of them may work on the same task to speedline work processes. So guys, it is actually very simple. Let us guide you through this. Head over to workspace on Asana, log into your account and head over to the overview of your ongoing tasks by clicking on My Tasks here on the left panel. And here under list, you will see a list of all ongoing already completed tasks. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me go, for example, with task number 5 and assign team members, multiple team members and people to the given task. You may do that by simply clicking on that arrow to the right icon here to open up that customization window here to the right. And here under assignee, simply click on your username. And after that, simply click on either on this button here to invite team members via email and simply enter the given team members' email addresses here to send invitations, and you can do that as often as you like to invite multiple team members to that task or project so that they may, for example, accept or decline the invitation. And what you want to do as well, guys, is again click on your username here, and instead of inviting teammates via email, simply assign multiple people to that task by clicking on the button here and simply enter the name here in that box. You may enter your own name, for example, or your co-workers, and add as many teammates or team members to the task as you like. And after that, simply confirm by clicking on assign tasks. And that should do it, guys. That's how you assign multiple people or teammates to one task on Asana. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.